Everybody who knows me knows I love teaching my boys how to do things. So today we are going to be soldering. We're going to use solder guns. We have wire, shrink wrap, wire cutters, and actual solder. We are going to solder the wire together. That way it does not break, and then we're gonna put the shrink wrap over it, make it look professional. I will be the instructor, and my kids is actually going to be learning the process. So stay tuned.
So what I'll be doing is I'll be putting the shrink wrap first, and then I'll tie the wires together, and then I'm about to solder. Okay, I'm bouncing fast. Oh, I can see it sticking on there.
Mm-hmm. Doing a good job.
Alright, so we are going to do the pull test to make sure that it doesn't break. And it looks like it's good.
Struggle. I think I got them all together. Don't want to breathe in those fumes.
Now remember, people are gonna be watching this.
Remember, everybody, you don't want to breathe in these fumes. So we are going to do the pull test now. Alright, looks like it stays.
There you go.